Good day, and thanks very much for joining me and Dora at Greylakes. Today we're going to be following up on the tip we got yesterday and spending some time by the pond. Now, we were told yesterday that by the pond is quite a popular place for the bearded Reedling to go, otherwise known as bearded tits. And I absolutely love these guys. They're beautiful, and when you hear them, they sound like laser beams. Once we've done that, we're going to make our way to the other hide, where we get a very special visitor flying around. Unfortunately not flying quite close enough, especially during the sunny time when we had some trouble with the heat haze, but we tried our very best and we got some lovely photos and some lovely videos of them flying around. We also get another guest at the very end which flies around very close above our head. Doesn't stay for very long, but long enough for me to get some video. If you do like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below videos that you want to see in the future. Let me know the birds that you want to see, or let me know the animals that you want to see in the UK. I'm thinking of going to go and find the wallabies. What do you think of that? Let me know if there's a different animal that you want to see.
When the sunlight hits my face, it won't be long till the time I can't forget when I felt strong. But until the night I'm in your arms again, I don't wanna get my hopes up in the air. All the way I thought that you'd be here with me, though I messed up everything I aim to be.
Just seen a bearded tit. Oh.
Stand up, forget everything. If I fall apart here, would you help me stand up straight and pick up all the pieces of my pride? When the sunlight hits my face, it won't be long till the time I can't forget when I felt strong. But until the night I'm in your arms again, I don't wanna get my hopes up in the air.
good. They have gone now. I think it's 2 juvies and 1 female. But luckily I went back to the car to go and get some batteries for the GoPro because I forgot them in the car. I left them charging up. And typical my memory, I left them back in the car, and as I was coming back, they flew across the path. And I wasn't going to check here, but I thought I'd better check here just in case. And I was going up to the other hide, which we might go and try now.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. As the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
Gun photos, but yeah.
Sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild.
Incredible day. I'm just chasing. Barn owls over there. Doubt you'll be able to see it. It's just underneath the pylon. But we're sort of going back and forth between this hide and that hide, which you can literally see there. So let's give it a try. Just want to get that a little bit more closer.
Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same. 'Cause I just can't let go. and there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your call. Lovers come, lovers go, and their hearts seem to change, but mine's still the same, 'cause I still love them all, and my heart's not to blame, it's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'm fixed in a framework that is moving beyond my control. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Oh, like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your call.
The delays and stuff, so, oh, it was a hobby flying right past us.
Very good.